Ready? Start. In this repetition, a report has been filed by the commissioners in which it has been prayed that there is urgent need of night shelters in urban areas. Full stop. In the report, it is prayed that the center and the state governments be directed to provide permanent 24 hours homeless shelters in the areas beginning within 62 cities and towns across India. Full stop. In the report, it is also mentioned that these homeless shelters need to be open 24 hours in all seasons. Full stop. And should have basic amenities to enable a life with dignity. Full stop. Para. It is further incorporated in the report that whether winter is a period of severest crisis for homeless people and it is directly life threatening, though all seasons pose threats to homeless people. Full stop. Homeless people are subject to continuous violence and abuse. Full stop. Living in the open with no privacy or protection even for women and children, is a gross denial of the right to live with dignity. Full stop. For this reason, the commissioners are convinced that unless directions are given by this court, the problems would not be solved. Full stop. Para. It is further stated in the report that the shelters should have the basic facilities such as beds and bedding, toilets, potable drinking water, lockers, first aid, primary health, de-addiction and recreation facilities. Full stop. It is also mentioned that shelters must be in adequate numbers and in the ratio of at least 1 per lakh of population for every urban centers according the Delhi master plan. Full stop. The matter was discussed and the learned additional solicitor general appearing for the Union of India submitted that all major cities, which have population of more than 5 lakh, will be provided with night shelters in the ratio of at least 1 per lakh of population. Full stop. Para. This court issued notice to all the states and the union territories. Full stop. The response to the notice, most of the states and the union territories have filed affidavits. Full stop. This affidavit filed by the state of Madhya Pradesh is very positive. Full stop. We direct the state governments to start constructing night shelters for the homeless in a phased manner according to their affidavit and may submit the report in this court within 2 months from today. Full stop. Para. In the affidavit, which has been filed on behalf of the state of Nagaland, it is mentioned that the state government proposes to conduct a detailed survey through its own department or by engaging reputed organization institutions within a period of 6 months for all urban areas within the state. Full stop. It is also mentioned that depending upon the results of the detailed survey, shelter homes would be constructed in a phased manner as may be necessary. Full stop. The shelter homes will have basic requirements necessary for providing safe, secure and comfortable shelter for the homeless. Full stop. We expect the state of Nagaland to file an affidavit within a period of 2 months to ensure that entire program is implemented. Full stop. The state of Mizoram has stated in the affidavit that identification of urban homeless will be conducted in a comprehensive manner within 6 months and necessary facilities would be provided to the homeless in the shelters.